there's prevention that needs to be done, and we have several different granules that can help with that. If you have had fire ants, chiggers, grubs, spiders, chinch bugs, any numbers of bugs that live in your grass, granules is a great way to take care of that. A lot of people just do a barrier from their foundation, incorporating their landscaping beds about 6 feet out, 3 to 6 feet. And then other people prefer to do the whole yard with the granules. And we also have organic granules too for the yard. Okay? So another way to prevent is to poof some dust into your weep holes between your bricks. Here's a duster, central bulb duster. We got an extender on that helps get into the weep holes without you having to bend down too much. And this is a great dust. And another product to, after you put the dust in the weep holes, is to scrunch up some copper mesh and push those into the holes. Now, copper mesh is the best thing for your weep holes. Better than better than steel wool, because steel wool rusts. Copper mesh does not. We have affordable stuff-it kits to stuff all your weep holes. Another great product, or another great prevention item to do, is to, with a professional liquid concentrate, is to spray the outside of your home to keep the insects from coming in. Now, you're going to spray from the foundation up to 3 feet. Always hit your window recesses, your door recesses. Get the bark mulch in your landscaping. We preach that over and over again. Also, this same product is great for wasps, bees, carpenter bees, hornets. You got to just spray your eaves to keep those insects from making nests. If you have any trees nearby your eaves, go ahead and spray those too. They seem to like to make their nests in the trees also. One more thing we're going to talk about, and that's weeds. Now, we did talk a little bit, or talked a lot about weeds last month. Now, I just want to remind you, if you did not get your pre-emergent down in January, February, or March, you can still get your pre-emergent down now to take care of those weeds that are germinating to come up. Now, remember, doesn't matter when you start. Start now and go 90 days to put your pre-emergent down. Now, I've preached enough about pre-emergent, so I also want to remind you, now is the time to get started on your fertilizing program. Well, that's it for this month. See you next month.